Good evening, YouTube friends. It's 5:45 here in the evening, November 15. So we're going to do our third harvest of our Himalayan mulberry. As I mentioned to you this early morning, that we're going to schedule our harvest likely in the afternoon, as we can wait several hours within that day to see more fruits, okay, that are ripe. This one has been eaten by maybe a bird or an insect. We'll find more here. I think this will be tomorrow morning. We'll find here. I think we can get one. Maybe we will do our fourth harvest tomorrow morning. So, but I need to get some of the ripe ones here, and my wife needs this. Okay, kind of medicine, natural medicine. Here we just arrived from work. It's already dark here, early evening. Okay, we've got a few mulberry, and then here. Okay, so we only have a few harvests in our third harvest of this Himalayan mulberry, friends. So, okay, maybe we will get the other tomorrow morning. So this is our third harvest. This is live and raw video, raw clip. So we've got a fewer fruits that are ripe today in our third harvest. Compare yesterday, that I think we doubled this amount or even 3 times. But anyway, it's still a good harvest. It's free from our front yard, and we can reproduce more Himalayan mulberry in the next season. Maybe next 3-5 months after, then we can have more of this plant Himalayan mulberry, as I'll be starting to do the earlying or marketing after the end of the season, fruit season this time. So thank you, YouTube friends. So I don't have, wow, maybe good that there was no chicken. Was able to find the portal here. It's really difficult for them to guide going out, and they can damage the plants inside. So I have to put something here to seal all the bottom next time. And thank you once again, YouTube friends, for watching and for following us in our YouTube channel. So I want to see you all in the next vlog. See ya.